Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming version and signing into the account so settings persist across devices. Once signed in, open File then Options immediately. This gets you to the appearance and general controls. Make sure Windows Theme won't override app colors by checking settings personalization later. For now, focus. Select Mail or General in Options to find theme controls. You'll change themes and reading pane colors next, so don't close Options until you complete the next slide. Now change the Office theme to white under File Options General. If white is missing, choose Colorful then disable Dark Mode. Once done, go to View Reading pane and pick Right or Bottom, or turn it off to ensure message backgrounds render white. Next, open View Settings Conditional Formatting and Message Preview to remove any custom backgrounds or fonts that force dark colors. Make sure stationery and signatures don't include background images. Edit them to plain white. Finish by editing stationery and fonts to a blank white background and save. Once done, test with new emails and reopen existing messages. If some HTML emails still show dark backgrounds, switch that message to view in browser or convert to plain text to verify the app settings. If the white background still fails, restart Outlook and Windows, then clear theme caches or reset Office user settings. If nothing works, consider updating Outlook to the latest build before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.